I have a list of items and I want to group these into logical sections. So I'm going to have it as three sections: equipment, supplies, and personnel. Equipment, supplies, and personnel. So now, how do I do this? I'm going to put a list. So we have here the ordered list for the entirety of it all. Then we have the first item, equipment. And notice it goes all the way down through all that code. So the next ordered list within it is within that LI element. Oh, yeah. And then we go for each item within that, and then we come to the end for that list item for all of the equipment. And so we see that we put a ordered list within that list item.